Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your blockchain wallet. Start by clicking open a web browser and log into your blockchain wallet account. Now, to request and add funds to your blockchain wallet, go and click on the request button at the top of the screen. In the expanded menu at the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a currency drop down. Select which digital assets you'd like to request and click it on. Here, for each currency, you'll see the option to show a QR code. Copy the address at the top. Now, once you have copied the link, and if you'd like to request a specific amount of Bitcoin from your friends, you can generate a payment request by copying the link and share it to one of your friends. And that way you'll be able to receive funds on your blockchain wallet. If you want to add USD, then click on this US dollar wallet from the wallet dashboard. Once you end up in your US dollar wallet, you can select deposit at the top right corner, or if it is your first deposit, you can click on this deposit US dollar now button at the bottom. And once you click on that button, you'll be able to select a deposit method on the next page, choose wire transfer from the options, and you'll be able to add money on your blockchain wallet account. How to download blockchain wallet on your Android device. In order to download blockchain wallet application on your Android, tap open your Play Store first. Tap on the search box at the top of the screen and type in blockchain in the box. Hit the search button and make your search. Once you find the search result for your application, tap on the install button to download the application on your device. Blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet and a cryptocurrency exchange supporting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. It also provides Bitcoin data charts, stats, and market information. Once the download is done, wait for it to install on your device, and after installation, you'll be able to open the app by tapping on the open button. Also, you'll be able to find the application in your app drawer as well, as you can see it right here. How to change your password for blockchain wallet. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to www.blockchain.com and press enter. From the official website of blockchain, click on the login button. If asked for your password, type in your password in the text box and hit login in order to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, from the home screen of blockchain, go and click on the security option at the top right corner. You'll end up in the basic security page. Now simply click on the advanced option at the top left, and at the very first, you should see a password option. Now you can easily change your password if you want to keep your account more secure, or you are simply in a worry that someone else might know your password. So in order to do so, simply click on the change link right beside the password option, and on the display at the right corner, you'll be able to see 3 text boxes appearing. In the current password text box, go ahead and type in the current password for your account. It is a password that you are using currently while logging into your account on blockchain. Type it in correct. Double check if you want by clicking on this eye icon. And now enter the new password for your account in the next text box. Retyping the password in the confirm password text box as well. Make sure both of the passwords into the new password text box and confirm password text box matches, and finally click on the save button. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your blockchain wallet account. Next time you log into your account, remember that you have recently changed your password to something new and more secure. How to log into your blockchain wallet account. Start by clicking open a web browser, and in the search box type in www.blockchain.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of blockchain. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up button at the top right corner and register yourself to your new account. Once you have an account, you can quickly log in by clicking on the login button at the top right corner, or simply right here in the middle of the screen. On the next page, you'll need to log in using your email or your wallet ID for your blockchain. Let me enter my email address that is associated with the account, since you can type in any one of them. Now, after you're done, you can click on the continue button. But in case you've forgotten your email or your wallet ID, you can click on Need Some Help link right below and follow the instructions to solve your problem. After you're done typing in, click continue, and you'll need to verify your device by clicking on the email link that has been sent to your email address. Click open a new tab and go to your email, and you should receive an email from blockchain. Click open the email and click on the login link. On the next tab, you'll get to type in your password. Type in the password that is associated with your account without making any kind of a mistake, and make sure that your caps lock is turned off while typing in your password. double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password so that you can see it properly, and double check. After you're done, click login. Wait for a few seconds. How to recover your blockchain account's password when you've forgotten it and don't remember it during the login process, which might be pretty much annoying. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser and in the search box type in blockchain.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now from the official website, click on the login link at the top right corner, which will end you up in the login area. Type in your email address or your wallet ID number into the text box. You can enter any one of them. Let me just enter my email address and then click on continue. Now you'll need to verify your device. You'll need to go to your email address that is associated with the account. Click open a new tab and go to your email address. Since I signed up using my Gmail, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account and click open the email that I received from blockchain. Now you'll receive this kind of a login link. You'll need to click on the login button in order to proceed further, and a new tab will open up where the password text box has appeared. Now when asked for your password, if you don't remember your password at all, you can go and click on this need some help link right below, and then from the options displayed, you have two options you can work with. If you want to recover your password and log into your account since you don't remember it, you can click on the recover funds button. Similarly, if you've lost your two-factor authentication device that should be connected to blockchain wallet, then you can click on this reset 2FA button. In today's video, we're gonna recover through the funds, so let's click on the recover funds button. And now you'll need to enter your secret private key recovery phrases one by one into the text box. It is the same phrase that you backed up by going to your security settings on your blockchain account. Enter the 12-word phrases. Make sure to type them in the lowercase letters with a space in between each word. Type it in a row, and after you're done typing all the 12 words, click on continue. Now on the next page, you'll get to choose your password that you would like to reset to. Type it in the text box where it says password and make sure to type in the correct password that you can remember easily next time you log into your account. You can double check your passwords by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner. Confirm the password in the next text box by typing it again. Make sure you type in the same password that you just created and click on recover funds. Wait for a few seconds while your wallet restores, and you'll be able to get access to your account back again even after you've forgotten your password for your account. How to create a new blockchain wallet account. Now let's jump in. You can create your blockchain wallet account on your web browser, iOS, and your Android device. I'm doing this on my computer web browser. Start by clicking open any web browser you want. In the search area, type in www.blockchain.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of blockchain. Go and click on the sign up button in the top right corner if you want to create a new account. If you already have one, you can click on the login link, enter your credentials, and log into your account. In today's video, since we are creating a new wallet, let's click on sign up. Now, the first step you'll need to perform while creating a blockchain wallet account is to enter your email address into your email text box. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you have an access to. Now, head over to the next text box where it says password and create a password for your account. While creating a password for yourself, make sure you use at least 8 characters long password. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you create a password that matches the criteria, double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner. This will help you reveal your password so that it will be easier for you to check. Now, confirm the password by typing it again in the text box. Make sure to type in the same password, and once the password matches in these boxes, you can click on this button where it says, I understand that blockchain.com never stores passwords and therefore cannot recover or reset my password. So if I lose access to my wallet, I must use my secret private key recovery phrase to access my funds. So after you create your password, you'll need to go ahead and once you do that, click on create wallet. Now, blockchain has sent a verification email to the following email address that you just entered before. So all you need to do is go and click on the link that is attached to the email address. Let's open up a new tab and go to the email address of yours that is associated with the account. Since I signed up using my Gmail account, I'm going to open up my Gmail inbox, and there I have an email from blockchain.com. All you need to do is to click on this "Yes, I confirm this is my email address" box for your email verification, and a new tab will open up. Wait for a few seconds and your email is verified. You can return to the previous tab to access to your blockchain wallet. That's this tab over here at the top left, and there you have been signed up for blockchain. You'll end up in the home screen of blockchain, and that's it. Your wallet has been now created. You can use blockchain for the security transfer for items like money, property, contracts, and much more. Now, once you've created a blockchain wallet account, you should start completing the 3 key security features. One is to verify your email address that you'll be performing during the sign-up process. Other is to set up the 2-factor authentication. Quickly go to your security at the top right corner and click it on. You'll be able to see 3 options. Since I've already verified my email, the first option is checked, which means I'm done with the first step. Now, for the second step, you'll need to go and click on the Enable option right next to 2-step verification. You can enable the 2-step verification via SMS code on your mobile phone, UBK, or Google Authenticator. This is done in order to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Simply select one of the options and complete the verification process. I'm going to use the mobile phone number option. Click it on, and you'll need to type in your phone number after selecting your country from the drop-down. Now, after everything's done, click on Get Verification Code, and you'll receive a code on your phone number that you just typed in. Type in the code that you received on your mobile phone into the text box. After you're done, click on Submit Code, and now you've completed the second step as well. Now, the last step is to write down your backup phrases. Click on Backup Funds right next to the option, and now at the right-hand corner there will be a pop-up. Go to the information first and click on View Secret Private Key Recovery Phrase. Copy a recovery phrase and store it somewhere safe where no one will be able to access it. Your backup phrases is the most important of all security measures. It is the key to ensure your access to your funds if you forget your password or when blockchain is unavailable. Click on Next and reveal more secret private keys. Remember that you should store all of the 2-word words, since you'll need to make it work in times when you've forgotten your password and can't get access to your account. Click on Next one more time and confirm your phrases by typing all the words into each boxes. After you're done typing in the first confirmation page, click on Confirm and click on Close. And you have successfully backed up your secret phrases as well. How to delete your blockchain wallet account. There's only one way you can delete or close your account with blockchain. Open up an email account that you registered with blockchain. Since I used my Gmail, I'm going to open up my Gmail account. Once you open up an email, compose a new email by clicking on the Compose button in the top left corner. And in the address bar where it says To or Recipients, simply click on it and then type in privacy@blockchain.com. On the subject, type in Request to close my account. Move towards the body of the text and write an email regarding canceling your account with your honest reasons. Let me just type in, "Hi, I have an account on your database with the name," this is my name right here, "and also mention your email address. I have decided not to use blockchain account anymore, so it would be a great help if you could kindly delete my account." And with this, I have finished off my conversations, finishing it with a simple thank you. And now finally, after you're done, click on Send. After you send the email, blockchain should contact you regarding the problem, and they will help you in order to delete your account. How to get private keys for your blockchain wallet account. The private key is what grants a cryptocurrency user ownership of the funds on a given address. The blockchain wallet automatically generates and stores private keys for you, so all you need to do is go open your web browser first and then log into your blockchain account. Once you're logged in order to find your private keys for your blockchain, you'll need to go hit the security button at the top right. Now, from this page, you'll be able to see 3 options displayed on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you should see Secret Private Key Recovery Phrase. Click on the Backup Again button at the right corner from your Secret Private Key Recovery Phrase and click it on. Now, in the pop-up at the right-hand side, you'll need to go through the information first. When you have a private keys, it says that you are in control of the funds in your private key wallet, so you'll be receiving 12 words phrases on the next screen. In the exact order as it appears, you'll need to store it somewhere safe. You can do it in a piece of paper or simply take a screenshot of it And remember not to share your secret private keys to anyone. If someone has it, then they'll be able to access to your private key wallet and they might withdraw some funds as well. So in order to keep your wallet safe, click on this View Secret Private Key Recovery Phrase button at the bottom and simply go ahead and copy the code that has been displayed on the screen, and remember to write it down in the order as it appears on the screen. It recommends you to not email or screenshot your secret private key recovery phrases, so the best thing to do is to write it down in a piece of paper. After you're done with it, go and click on the next button at the bottom and write down the rest of the words as well according to their perfect order and click next. Now, what you'll need to do is confirm your phrases. You'll need to enter the words that matches the number you see below. That means in the first text box you can see the 11th word leveled. You'll need to type in the 11th word that you just noted down, so make sure to type it in correct. Type it in one by one and click on confirm. After you're done, click on close, and that way you'll be able to find your private key for your blockchain account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.